Hi, I'm Arnaud and I'm the founder of Echoes. Echoes is a product for engineering leaders to give you visibility into the activity of your engineering teams. We help you answer questions such as, are we allocating our efforts against company priorities, and do we have the right level of focus? And we do so in a way that is friendly to the engineers and that anybody in the company can understand. The starting point to using Echoes is to configure the outcomes that are relevant to you. Here, what you see is the default set suggested by Echoes, which is all the things we do to create customer value, all the things we do to mitigate risks, and all the things we do to preserve our own throughput. But this is just a starting point. You can customize this as much as you need. For example, we have companies right now using Echoes to map engineering efforts to their company OKRs. What happens when you have saved those outcomes is that Echoes is going to create labels on all of your GitHub or GitLab repositories. The remaining work is only to ask engineers to tag their contributions with why they're doing them in the first place. And this is all there is to it. It literally takes seconds. There is no need to leave the regular contribution flow, and there's especially no need to file tickets. What you get then are reports on how efforts are allocated against the outcomes that you have chosen. Here in terms of overview of allocation, but also the trajectory in terms of a week-to-week or sprint-to-sprint evolution. This is going to be helpful in multiple ways. It's going to help you understand the gap between the expectations and the reality. Because remember, this is not the plan. This is the reality of what is happening on your teams by the engineers. Finally, if you have a sizable organization, you're probably going to want to have the details of each individual teams and how they contribute to the outcomes. And this is what you're going to get there, either as a diagram that shows the efforts flowing from the organization on the left to the desired outcomes on the right, or as a table that we call the heat map, showing the efforts of each individual teams to the outcomes that you have configured. Thank you very much for watching. We're currently in private beta and there's a lot more to the product, so please book a demo if you're interested or join the waitlist. Thank you again.